Jahan Maryam. My story's name was Debate of the Mother. Baijit was the small boy. Once upon a time, his mother was so much ill. Then he told that, my Baijit, my boy, can you come near to me? Then Baijit come and say, my dear mother, did you need something? Then mother replied, I need a glass of water. And then he go to the another room and search entire house, but he couldn't find a one drop of water. Then he decided to go to the night. After opening the door, he saw the full area was full of darkness. And then he decided to go outside. He go to the near fountain and fill the jar and come back. But sad was his mother was already asleep. And then he stand beside her mother all night. And then his mother wake up in the time of Fajr. In the time of Fajr, his mother wake up and saw her son stand beside his bed and asked, my boy, why you standing there? And Baijit replied, how can I wake my ill mother this time? And after hearing the sentence, his mother became so much happy and pleased. And his mother said that, oh my Almighty Allah, bless my son with your whole lovely blessings. And after that, Baijit became a most close person of our Almighty Allah. Thank you, everyone.